Hey guys, my name is Muhammed Erdur. I am a QA automation engineer, a team lead of my current team. I would like to show you my work for this challenge, and I choose shopping chart uh, application. It's a very basic application. This is my testing strategy document and test cases here. Let's move on this one. This document outlines test strategy for the shopping chart application hosted in GitHub. We aim to verify the application's product adding and removing functions and displaying the correct total amount in the chart page function. The reason why we choose that one, the process of adding and deleting products from chart or adding to the chart is one of the most frequent performed actions by the users. Um, Most of the case, QAs need to prioritize his test cases because some area are more critical, uh, more risky. So that's why we need to prioritize something like functions. So these functions are very important here. So we have prioritized these ones. Relation to the application, these tests are important. These test cases are important because they directly affect the core functionality of the application and user satisfaction. Um, my objectives here are products, adding and functions, and the total amount in the chart page are working as expected to make sure this verification. And we are running functional testing here, so we can in need of integration testing because we need to verify the different parts of the applications works together or not. And we are running UI test here, and of course a regression test because we need to make sure that new changes don't affect the existing functionalities. For this work I choose Cypress because Cypress runs directly in Node.js, so it can directly interact with elements within browser. So Cypress doesn't use any APIs or any interfaces, directly interacts with elements within browser. That's so it runs very smoothly and very quickly. And also Cypress is very well organized, very well structured uh, test automation tool. So that's why I choose Cypress for this test case. And my application is based on React, so React based, so I choose Cypress as well. um, but of course I would like to point out that one we can choose different tools based on your application type. For example, right now currently I'm using Playwright for my current project. So it depends on your project's needs, but right now I choose Cypress. So this is my test cases. Add first item to the chart, remove item from chart, update item quantity, verify the amount. These are the steps and expected results. Uh, this is my application. It's very basic application. You can basically add which product you want, for example, and you can go to chart, so you can check your products. You can increase the amounts, decrease the amounts, remove the product, yeah, something like that. So let's move to the coding. As I already create my repository, I'm gonna clone my repo here. Let's do here create new folder. Let's say chart poster destination. As you see here, I cloned it, so I'm gonna initiate the first of all node, but I think it's already installed on me. Let's check. Version. Yes, it's already here, and can we initiated the project. Then I will install the Cypress. Install Cypress save. As you see, the related node packages, not modules, and JSON, and these files are created here. Um, in initiating the project, test automation project, we have different options. For example, let me show you the important thing. In here, we can use the Google Developer Tools. In here, for example, if you record your steps, create new, let's say here, shop, and start recording. As you see, for example, I'm gonna click this one, add to chart, and this one, add to chart, and this one, add to chart, and go to the chart, and for example, remove that one, and check here, and end the recording. If I download this one as a Cypress test, Cypress has its extension, Chrome extension, so when you save it, we can find this one in documents, shop. As you see, every elements are recorded here, so we can use these ones, of course, and but this time I'm gonna do another thing. I'm gonna directly start Cypress UI. So okay, Cypress in open mode with its UI. It's very useful. We are gonna use end-to-end testing for automation. I'm gonna continue. continue. I'm gonna choose electron for now. Let's say here um, pink test. It's already creates its sample and go to example Cypress IO, but I'm gonna do that one. In here, Cypress created its main uh, main folder structure. Our tests are here, and we have some. If you wanna interact with any files, we can use fixtures, and support we can create our commands, child command, parent command. We can do them with using uh, add keywords, so we can create our own commands. So let's do like that. We use describe IT blocks in Cypress. So but I would like to do that one created before each. Then I think that's my this is my application here. I think it's correct, but let's make sure. Yes. First of all, it's going to move to main page, and I'm gonna describe shopping cart tests here. These are the describing area, so I can describe the main task, and then um, I can move to the smaller parts with IT. I mean it for example add item to the chart. Yeah, it's already say offers. So then let's remove this one. Let's directly run our code. Okay, so let's check. As you see, it's when it went to the main page, home page. So I would like to show you we can find each element with that one. When you click on here, when you click on an element, and it says which one is its locator here, something like that. something like that, something like that. So we can directly use these ones. In here, I would like to point out that for Cypress in particular, I'm using data CY attribute. I coordinate with the developers, and I make sure that they are already defining the specific attribute for all of the elements, so we can easily find our um, elements, which one we need, because you know the CSS class names and classes are changing sometime. So if we define any specific data test ID or data CY, something like test IDs, it's very useful for Cypress and Playwright. So let's move. I'm just copying that one. For example, if as you see here, we can easily find the correct um, place. So I'm copying it, so let's do that one. uh, this one, and click. So for this one, yeah, we are clicking on it, so we need to check um, check our shopping chart if here do we have the correct uh, product. Let's do like that. Click on this one, for example, and we need to check here. Let me check. No, that's not a good idea, so I'm just gonna create that one. Um, in Cypress, basically we use cy get or cy contains methods. These are different methods, so I'm gonna use contains method here. Contains, let's do like that. Let's do that one. As you see, this specific name Hero GoPro 10, it belongs to this parent uh, element. It's product cart. So I'm gonna do that one. That one dot and copy paste the product. No, I'm sorry, we didn't product cards. Product cards. and I'm gonna put the exact name here. Yes, this should work. Let's try. Yeah, as you see, no, here, as you see here, we cannot click on any another actionable elements, just add to chart is working, as you see. So we need to do another thing here. Product card, I'm gonna use find method because it went to the um, sibling element, child element. So find, for example, here we need to use add to charts. Add to charts. Let's do different thing. This type class name is button, so I'm gonna do like that. Find dot button add to chart. Yes, that one. I think it should work. Yeah, as you see, it worked. One more time. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so the second part is should be we click this one, and the second step is to go to the this chart, and let's find its now. Yeah, we can just use this one. Image, click on it, then we should check the here. I think we should check all here. Chart contents. Okay. So the third step is cy get cart contents. Should not contain this hero GoPro. Yeah, we are going to Hero GoPro 10 products, and we are finding the add to chart button and click on it, and then we are opening the shopping chart, and we are trying to verify. No, I'm sorry, it should contain. It should contain. So let's it's running very fast, but I can show you step by step. It's going here, finding the add to chart button, clicking on it. We can see before and after. Before it's empty, after it's full with that product. Then we are moving to the chart icon and click on it, and we are checking the chart content, and we are asserting that it uh, contains this specific product or not. So uh, so let's do another thing. It remove, yeah, already set as first of all, let's remove them. Let's close the first of all, uh, we should add that one, and then we should go to uh, go to chart, and within chart we should do, for example, we should use here, let's try that one. Yeah, we can use that one, of course. And then we need to verify uh, that contents, cart contents, yes, contain, not contain. Yes, this should be work. Let's try this one to exactly understand what's happening on it. See why you wait. Or we can do that one, for example, cy pause. This should work. Let's try. It didn't work. Here I think it's not removing. Sorry. We didn't click on it, so that's why it's not working. Yeah, as you see, these are working. Most of the case, in the end, most of the case, I prefer to use page object model. So that's why I can do something like that. I'm generally using Codium, uh, but I can do like that. Um, in support here, I can create uh, pages or page objects. Let's do not a file, a folder. Yeah, folder, pages. Put a file. Uh, shopping cart page. Page. We have created this with JavaScript. So I'm gonna do like that. Um, um, as you see, I can put this page object class inside here, and I export and import these pages, and I can use within the test file, which is cart test CY JavaScript. So uh, as you see, it offers uh, different methods to me. Then I can put these methods directly, or I can right now I'm rejecting. So that's my work. I'm gonna let me uh, add all of them. Git, let's do a comment. Um, like that. Shopping cart tests, do like that. Let's check the, yeah, everything is here, so you can check uh, these files here. um, Thank you, have a good day.